Hello, koi people, any people, whatever people you are, whatever interest you have, whatever's brought you here. I've got in that box there. I just thought I would share with you some koi that I've purchased. Now at this time of year, it's spring. It's May, and there are lots and lots of orchids and koi to buy. Absolute loads of dealers out there, and I'm always on the lookout. I don't buy many because I haven't got the space. I've got 2,000 litres here and 10,000 out in the garden, so I tend to be quite select. But I have about outgrown my space now, so I'm on like the edges of parameters like ammonia, things like that. I'm pushing the filters to the maximum, especially at this time of year when you start feeding them more. You really are pushing the boundaries, and you've got to watch all your perimeters, especially if you really are in a enclosed, closed off environment like you can see behind me in my grow. Obviously the more fish I put in there, the more it will produce waste, and the more the filters have got to deal with that waste. So there's people that say, I don't bother testing my water. Well, they've obviously got away with it, but if you stock intensively and you want to grow koi relatively quickly and strong and healthy and a good shape and formation and all this sort of stuff and colours, you really have got to watch your perimeters. The video today, I bought 4. I seen these on eBay actually, but then I contacted the seller, got communication going, and that's the best thing I find with buying koi. Communication. Start communicating with the dealer, ask questions, and you'll soon almost build up a relationship of trust, because this is what it's all about. Because the last thing you want is to get stung. And I'm not saying there are dealers out there that do sting you, but it all depends what you want. If you want a general fish, just go to your garden centre, you'll get general koi there. If you're wanting Japanese koi, go to people that can get Japanese koi and who are in it for, not for the money, they're in it because of the hobby. Like me, like you, like everybody, they're in it for the fish. Of course they want to make money, but that's not what drives them, because like most things, most hobbies come businesses, they don't generate money. They're honest, you know, they really don't. They basically look after your basic things in life and give you another avenue to maybe source things and enjoy what you enjoy doing. And that's, I think, for most of these dealers, that is what drives them. The fact that they can walk into a space every day and, you know, touch and feel and sell koi and interact with people with the same interest, and also maintain their lifestyle. I mean, it's a win-win, isn't it? So anyway, back to them. Oshiki, I think I got them from. I'll show you in a minute the name. The guy that sold them is a really nice bloke. Got talking with him, and he had a lot of ginring, jinrin. So I wanted one. I can't remember what it was now, but in the end I got a jinrin, ochiba, goshiki, chagoi. Forgot the 4th, but we'll go and have a look. So basically I'm just doing like a tap and unwrap, if you like. So let me move over there and I'll show you what basically goes off. Obviously you can't see me in the picture, but that's no good. I'm in my glag rags anyway. You get your box. The best way to carry these boxes is just slightly away from your body. So if you're close to your body on here, you'll find that when you're moving, you can hear the water going everywhere. So it's best to carry them. Don't do your back any good, because any back instruction will say you keep it close to your body, but I find if you do, you can hear it slopping about. So keep it slightly away and just watch your back, and then you know you'll find that the fish and the water inside is disturbed less. Now, whatever I do here, I'm not advocating you do. I'm just showing what I do. Okay, I've got my own bowl. There's nothing special. I've got my own. These are like them supermarket tubs you can get. Baskets with the deliveries. I've got one of them. I've just got a tape measure one in just so I can measure. Look, and so I suppose this is just like I say an unwrap and a little review type thing. So you get your box. There's always a sturdy box. Sometimes very heavy. Now this is well wrapped in here. You can't really see. There's bubble wrap. There's a nice on the bag. Let's take the card too. It looks quite nice on top of the card. Hoshikoi UK. Okay, got a Facebook page, Hoshikoi UK. There's the card. Nice card. Put that there. Well packed. So what I do, I carefully stand them up, like so. And what you'll find is the double bagged. They're normally double bagged, and they're normally tied over. Well, not tied, but the bags are folded over and got a huge elastic band. Now, what I do is I open the first bag. And I open the second bag, and then you are basically into the fish. Now this is where you've got to be careful. I always have a little look in, if there's any damage or anything like that. These are all looking good. They're only something like 20 centimetres now. What I do, I know this water in here is around about the same temperature. Okay, so try and get the same temperature, and then your pH in this bag will be an ammonia, because all the muck and stuff is accumulated in the delivery. It will be absolutely all over the shop. So what you don't want to do is be dumping this straight into your pond. I ain't got to acclimatise the water because, like I say, I'm in an indoor grow. The water's definitely the same temperature. I can feel it, tested it. You can just feel the difference. You know, well, there's no difference in this case. If there is, put the bag in the water, let them acclimatise for 15 minutes. Now, because the water is pretty much shot in here, I don't really get hung up by the difference in water quality, because it will be completely all over the place. Mine's 8.1 in here, a minute. Yeah, and in here, because of the ammonia, it will be really low. Because the water's just been there all night, hasn't it? Okay, so at this point, this is where people might disagree with me. So all I do, get some water out of mine. I just put it in, mix it up about half an hour. Just let them just settle in it for a few minutes. I sometimes just put them straight in, out the bag. Now where I'll differ from most people as well is I tend to handle them. Because they're very difficult to get out. So I tend to get the bag ready, and I tend to just handle the koi. Okay, there's one. That's a Tancho Inrin, that's the one I wanted. Lovely fish. I'll grab the next one, grab it firm in my hand and quickly transfer to the ochiba. Next one, this water feels a little bit cooler than mine actually, so they're going to really enjoy it in mine at the minute because it's a bit warmer. This one is the goshiki, and then we've got the chagoi is the smaller one, so they're quite easy to handle. These are chagoi. Okay, and they're all gin rins. I'll just get rid of this water now. Put that down there out of the way. And that's pretty much it. And then I'll just go over them and have a look at them. I can't remember the breeders of these now. I think there was all... Oh wow, my memory is terrible at the moment. There was all... I tell you what, they're absolutely cracking fish, they are. Been lucky, sometimes you can get the odd blemish because they've been in transit. I've had damage to one fish before, biggish one, in the bag. Obviously must have thrashed about and damaged its tail. Fin, sorry. Tail fin. Now, these are really in good nick. Sometimes, because they've been in the ammonia, building up, the fins, and if the white fish, the shiroji, you can get red veining, that's stress. Okay, so don't worry about that. These are 4 absolute lovely fish here. I'm really pleased with these. And the tancho, Jinrin, well it's not tancho, I don't think it is. It's a showa. It's a showa, sorry. It's not a tancho because the tancho is just black. But I like tancho styles, and this has got an absolute lovely head spot. Now what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to grab the camera and finish this off now. Cracking Koi, Hoshikoi UK. They've got a Facebook page, Hoshikoi UK. Get on there, give them some likes. I'm not in cahoots. I think the guy's name's Reed. I'm not in cahoots with them. This is the first time I've purchased from them. They're not the biggest koi I've got. The Tosai, the grow-ons, the Japanese koi. They have got a specific breeder which I can't remember. The pattern on this goshiki, I loved. The ochiba has got a really nice pattern too, and the goshiki. And the chagoi as well. Okay. So that's them. So let me get a close up. I'm just thinking, I thought I had a fifth. I thought I had five fish, if I remember. I had high at Surrey. So I'm trying to think now. Thought I bought 5 in the end. But anyway, I'll ask him that, I can't remember. So here's the fish. I love the head on this goshiki. Got a nice pattern look. Chagoi, you all know what chagois look like. And the Jinrin shower. Lovely fish. There's some nice sumi coming on that. I am one koi missing, unless I'm getting it from someone else. Can't remember. I had a kin here at Surrey. I'm sure, but I can't remember if it was from Hoshi or somewhere else. I'll have to ask, can't remember. Either way, there's been some mistake, I think, but anyway. Lovely fish. Happy to get them in. They've all got nice shapes. Surprisingly, the chagoi is the slimmest of the lot. So the lovely patterning on them. So not everyone's cup of tea, these, the Ginrins. Some people are a bit purist, they like the Sankis, but a nice difference from the Sanki. And nice to get at this age because you can watch them develop, watch them grow, watch them change. But these four got some nice patterns, nice colourings, nice prospect, nice shape, nice quality, and they're from a good breeder. Okay, so hopefully that's been a little bit of something different. So this time round I've not gone for the Go Sankis, I've gone for a bit of bling. Okay, and I've got the Ginrin in there, the Ginrin Sanki in there as well, the big one there at the back, you can see it. Yeah, look. So, and these ones are really nice and sparkly. So I hope that's been of interest. I'm in the grow today, I'm doing some ponding outside today. Enjoy your koi keeping. Please like the YouTube channel, subscribe to it. There's going to be more of this coming. I'm probably looking to get a camcorder so I can get some better quality videos in the future. Anyone's got any questions and answers, well, not questions, but you've got the questions and I'll try and find the answers, Q&As, put them down in the comments section, and if I can help, I'll help. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bank holiday, yippee, get in. Sun's coming out, it's been cold all week, sun's coming out, we're going to get a bit of warmth. Happy days. Don't forget to go on the Facebook page, Friendly Koi Keepers. It's where it's all happening. 11k more, nearly 12,000 members now, and there's hardly any trouble on there because I'm the only admin and there's no messing about. Okay, nice people on there. The moment you step out of line, you okay, get on there, enjoy it, have a great weekend. Goodbye.